Hello everyone, I'm Daniel Scontonate. In this video tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use sum function, also named add function. First, we are going to solve it directly with a plus symbol. You must write the equal symbol, select the first cell, plus symbol, and then the other cell, and press the enter button, and this is the directly form. But this is easy to solve it, but you can't say this for many numbers, and we are in this case you should write the add function. You must write equal symbol, then sum, but I have to write summa because this is my predetermined language, the Spanish, but you can write the sum in English, and then select the cells of the range, and close the bracket and press enter button. But this is to faster. But what happens if I select the range, the sum cell in the range? We are going to try it. This is an effort, and say the circular references, and you should hit or change these references or move the functions to the other side. But we are going to eliminate this. But we can write the sum function faster, and this you should write add. First select the cell that we are going to show the sum, and press Alt, Shift, and 0, and all this select, enter. This is how to use sum function. Thank you for watching.